How to fix if the Apple Music family sharing is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have taken the subscription for family sharing on Apple Music but it's not working, here are the ways you can fix it. First of all, head over to your device settings. Then after, tap on this family section just below your Apple ID. Tap on the plus icon from the top right, and from here you can invite other family members that you want to add to your family subscription plan. Tap on subscriptions next. Then after, tap on Apple subscriptions. From here, tap on Apple Music, and if not subscribed yet, you will be taken to this page. From here, you can subscribe to the family subscription plan, and once that is done, your account should work. However, if it does not and you have already subscribed, log out or sign out of your Apple ID and sign in back again. This way, the subscription will be refreshed and you should be able to use the family subscription plan on Apple Music. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.